Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for April the 9th and the 10th, 2015. That's this Thursday and Friday. Over the next few days we're going to see warm weather continuing. That's until Friday, and the weekend though will bring rain and the cold back, particularly over Saturday and Sunday. But looking for the next 2 days, it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look. Thursday we're looking at sunshine for most parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, cloud along the northern and western fringes of Scotland, and lower temperatures towards the northwest and the north there. But in the south, where it's much more clear, warm temperatures, 14, maybe 16 in Glasgow and Edinburgh, and in other areas around there it's potential for the high, 15 in Northern Ireland. Further south, much warmer as well, particularly further west. Cloud remaining towards the eastern coasts of England, but towards the west and into North Wales as well, we're seeing high temperatures of possibly 19, maybe even 20 degrees Celsius. Same for central parts of Ireland. Towards the south, slightly cooler and a bit more cloudier as well along the south coast. Thursday night is going to be a clear night for most of Scotland, which means the potential for it to decrease in temperature quite substantially to around 3 degrees in some places in rural parts of Scotland, possibly. Further north, cloud along the northwestern parts of Scotland, which means the temperature will be a little bit higher. 4 the low in Northern Ireland and the clear skies also. Further south, clear skies for most parts of England and Wales as well, with low temperatures in the north of England of 4 degrees. Further south, a little bit milder, with low temperatures of 6 or 7, and a bit more cloud towards the southwest of England. Ireland is much more cloudy, but remaining dry, with a low temperature of 4 or 5, perhaps some fog developing as well. On Friday, it's not quite as good as it was on Thursday, except in Scotland in some places, warmer than what it will be on Thursday, but high temperatures across the board around 14 or 15 degrees Celsius, and partly cloudy pretty much everywhere. A bit more sunnier in Northern Ireland, where we'll be seeing a high of around 15. Further south, in western parts of England, not quite as good as what we saw on Thursday, but still fairly nice, and in the east as well, becoming brighter as well, with high temperatures there of around 19, perhaps once again 20 degrees Celsius in parts of central eastern England, and in Wales as well. Maybe a little bit of drizzle coming in towards the end of the day though in South Wales, drizzly throughout the day in many parts of Ireland as well, in between brighter periods, highs of 14. Friday night, the rain's coming into Scotland, so pretty much rain in many parts of western Scotland, extending to central parts and possibly reaching the east by the end of the night, with low temperatures of 5 or 6. Same too for Northern Ireland, in between some clearer patches of cloud, with a low there of 4 degrees. So still a fairly chilly night. Further south, very much the same as well, rain creeping into most parts of England except the far east, and indeed in some parts of western Wales, North Wales, into the south of England as well. We could be seeing some heavy bursts of rainfall, with temperatures no lower than 9 around the London area. In Ireland, rain falling there as well, lows of 6. That's all from me. You can visit the website 413.com. That's where we cover mainly tropical cyclones, but in future we're hoping to install a little bit of a UK weather branch on there as well, so look out for that. In the meantime, we'll be producing more weather forecasts whenever something interesting happens. That's all for now.